Imagine walking into work one day and finding a robot sitting at your desk, doing your job better and faster than you. Scary, right? With AI advancing rapidly, many people are asking the big question: will AI replace my job? Or is there more to the story? Let's find out. AI is already changing the way we work. From chatbots handling customer service to AI-generated videos, automation is taking over repetitive tasks. Even industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation are adopting AI at a rapid pace. Not all jobs are equally affected. AI is best at repetitive, rule-based tasks. That means jobs like data entry, telemarketing, and even some aspects of journalism are at high risk of automation. But before you panic, let's talk about jobs AI struggles to replace. Creativity, emotional intelligence, problem-solving, and human interaction are areas where humans still have the upper hand. So, what can you do to stay ahead? The key is to adapt. Learning new skills, especially in technology, data analysis, and AI collaboration, will keep you valuable in the workforce. Instead of competing with AI, learn to work with AI. Tools like ChatGPT, automation software, and data analytics can help boost your productivity instead of replacing you. The reality? AI won't replace most jobs, but it will change them. The future of work is not about AI taking over, but about how we adapt, innovate, and evolve alongside it. Think of AI as a tool, not a threat. Those who learn to leverage it will thrive in the new job market. So, what do you think? Will AI replace your job, or will it become your greatest asset? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more insights on AI, automation, and tech, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. See you in the future.